Welcome to TPI, the global leader in test products, and I'm just going to show you that there is now a backup and restore feature in the View app. If you've not already done so, then open up the View app and click into Settings. You'll now see that there is a backup and restore button. Clicking on this gives you 3 cloud-based options to perform a backup and restore. This is a really handy feature as it backs up all your jobs, open and closed, as well as all your company and engineer details, ready to be restored to your new device. This also works cross-platform if you're moving from Android to Apple or vice versa. Thanks for watching, and look out for more videos that we're going to be posting up to our website and YouTube channel.